Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we are going to show you how to create a ShopRite online account. Before we dive into creating a ShopRite online account, did you know you can get ShopRite products delivered to your door in as little as 1 hour using Instacart? Plus, if you're a new Instacart user, your first 3 deliveries are free. We will include a link in the description below. Once you're on their website, you will see an option for register. Click on Register. On this page, click on the Register tab. Now, enter all the required information such as your first name and last name, email and password you wish to use, and primary phone. Also, select the state and home store. After that, click on the Register button. You will then receive a confirmation link on the email address you provided. Check your inbox and click the link to complete your registration. Once you click on the link, you will be directed to this page. To proceed, click on Complete Profile. To complete the account setup, enter the additional information being asked. Once done, click on the Home option at the top left part of the page, to go back to the home page. And now you can start shopping. You may use the search bar to look for the particular items you wish to buy. Now, click on the Add to Cart button under the items you wish to buy. You can also increase the quantity of the item by clicking on the plus icon. Once done, click on the shopping cart icon. Then the list of items will appear. To proceed, click on the Review Cart button. Now, review your cart. You may also allow substitution for items in case it's not available. Then click on Checkout. In this case, we chose to pick up the order. However, if you wish to have it delivered, click on Change to Delivery. Enter the delivery address and select a delivery schedule. But if pickup order, select a store and the pickup time. After that, click on the button that says Continue to Pay and place order. If you have a promo code, you may use it and enter on the field provided, and click on Save. Next, add a billing address, click on Add New Address and enter your complete address. After entering, click on the Pay and Place Order button. Now, select a payment method. You may use an EBT card, digital wallets such as Google Pay, PayPal, and Pays, or a credit and debit card. After that, click on the Continue button. Then follow the on-screen instructions to fully complete your order. That's how you create a ShopRite online account. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.